Someone's gonna buy a new bag.
You eat a lot. My driver's license. I felt like my life is so in danger. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. So today I'm gonna take you guys with me into the city. It is 7 in the morning right now. It is very early. I don't have any breakfast yet. I just like prepared because the motorbike guy is here already. He is the one that I always like ride with going to the city. A lot of you guys requested this video and some of you are curious as to how do I commute going to the city from the countryside. So this is the video, and I'm also gonna run some errands today, and yeah, we'll take you guys with me going around Cebu City. But for now, I'm just gonna take this coat. So this is what I would usually do. I'd always need to have a coat with me because it gets hot while on the road. So this is what I'm wearing, by the way. So anyway, let's go guys. He's been waiting for me already outside. I just need to lock the house. So the house has been locked. I'm gonna go back here tomorrow anyway. I'm not quite sure yet. It depends on the errands that I will be able to finish today. So every time I go to the city, I always try to make sure that I was able to get everything done in one go, because I don't want to keep going to the city, because honestly, every time I ride a motorbike, I felt like my life is so in danger. If you have been following me, you guys know that I have been on a motorbike accident for few times already, and that was the reason why I get hospitalized, and that is such not a good experience. But really for now, I don't have any other option but to take the motorbike going to the city. That's why I try to maximize everything that I need to do in the city. I have here my mask. This is my new mask, by the way. This is the new normal now, so we're gonna try to use this like that, and let's go. Bye house, I'll be back in a few days. So this is Choi. He is the one I always ride with whenever I go to the city, so he would pick me up here in front of the house. What do I look? I need to have a helmet, of course, and a mask. So come on, let's go. Okay, let's go. Ta-da, bye house. So I have arrived in the city finally. I'm not in the city center yet though. So I paid the motorbike guy 200 pesos. Normally when there was no COVID though, I've only paid him like 50 pesos, but because of COVID, the price really significantly went up. So right now I'm heading to Capitol. I'm gonna have breakfast there in Boss Coffee. I'm here at Boss Coffee. So I just ordered my breakfast. I got sausage platter, and then I got some hot tea as well. Wait, let me remove my mask. There you go. That's so much better. I can already remove my mask since I'm in the cafe. You know, since I'm gonna eat, I cannot eat with my mask on. Food have just arrived. So here I got the sausage platter, and then I have here this green tea, and in total I paid 300 pesos. All right, let's eat. Bon appetit. Say hi to Bengal. We are in the taxi right now. So I was not vlogging for a couple of hours because I had to go to Land Transportation Office in LTO because I need to get my license. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm here in the city, because I need to process my driver's license. So I finally got it. Oh my gosh, it took such a long time. It is such a hassle, you know. So right now, I think we deserve some good food. So we're gonna head to Delish Deli. It's gonna be our second time there. The first time we went there, we totally loved their food. So we're gonna go back for a second round. I love their chicken. Also after that, I do have laser appointments. So I'm gonna take you guys with us. And yeah, here we go. I'm starving. Finally, we have just arrived here at Delish Deli. And again, this is our second time here. We are going for a second round meal. We really love their food. So here it is right now. Again, they are located here in I removed my mask because we're the only ones here anyway. So they have some sandwiches, some fries, some chicken. The buffalo wings with fries is their best seller, which is the one that I really love. I think I'm gonna have that today. They also have some sulit meals, some pasta, coffee, dessert. Actually, they have a lot. Have the owner of Delish Deli, Mr. John.
Hi guys, good to see you.
Thank you so much for having us here. We really love the food.
It's wonderful to have you guys here.
So this is a American food in Filipino restaurant.
It is. So we have a mix of American food and some Filipino food here as well.
Yeah, that's awesome. I'm quite starving, so let's order. I'm gonna go with the buffalo wings and fries again. It was really good last time I got it, so I'm gonna have that. Bingo, what are you having?
I'm probably getting classic waffle.
Waffle? You're not gonna have rice?
No, you'll have to buy one.
And then, are you gonna have milk tea too?
Yeah, classic.
That's it? And BLT sandwich?
Is it okay?
Yes, that's so much. You eat a lot. I went to Talisay, which is approximately 10 kilometers away from the heart of Cebu where I was. I had to get my license there, and finally I got it, by the way. So I'm so happy today. That's why we deserve to have some good food. So when I was trying to get on the bus, the conductor told me to remove my necklace because there are snatchers in that area. I know, I should probably know better than that. So Bingo's gonna put it back now since we are
actually
the
bought it
main
for like
city.
150k. Yeah, this is the Valentine's gift, you know.
For myself. You gotta be careful if you go to like the tricky areas, you know, like especially in Colon. If you come here in Cebu where it's very crowded, like you will have to remove some of the jewelries that you have, or you know, make sure to look after your stuff, especially your phones and your wallet. So we're waiting for our order now. Actually, we ordered quite a lot because we're starving. Bingo is starving. Finally, we have our food. This is heaven. So first, we have here the BLT sandwich. I love the bread that they're using right now. It's with fries. Then we have here some fries. I love barbecue. For here, we have some waffle. So this is waffle with blueberry. The other one is with chocolate. Have some rice. This is for Bingo. Have some buffalo wings. This is my all-time favorite in this restaurant. I would highly recommend this, guys. If you come here in Delish, you should get this one. This is their best seller anyway. Let's eat. Bon appetit. We are gonna start eating now. And it's battery low. We're back. Okay, we're gonna eat now. We are quite hungry, to be honest. I'm gonna try this BLT sandwich. It's good. I love this bread. Chicken. Oh, you got chicken already?
Yeah.
Wow.
Without you knowing.
I know you like this so much as well.
Yes.
The chicken is so good. Where's the chef?
He is hiding back there.
Salon?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
You related?
Oh my god. The chef, guys, is Salon. So I think he's my long lost brother. Because he cooks so good. I'm gonna claim him. So it is 2 p.m. right now. I do have an appointment in SM Cebu. I have laser today. We are quite in a hurry, to be honest. We had a really nice talk with the owner, John. He is very kind. He's a good friend of ours. I really love their food so much. So we have some with us as well.
Take home.
Take away, look. So we're good for dinner later.
Yes.
Alright, let's go to SM, guys. We have arrived now here in SM Cebu. It only took about 10 minutes for us to come here because we were just in Ayala area earlier. The lighting is so lit. I think 10 minutes late, but I think it's okay still. We are here in North Wing area. And do you remember where is it? It's there, right? Then we turn right. Okay, we're gonna hurry up. Alright, let's go. Hello, say hi. Sapa.
Hi, Mom.
Ate Marchi, asa to siya? Say hi. Okay, we have arrived here in Hairless. This is an SM, guys. I've been with them for what? How many years now? I think 5 years already. 2015? Almost 6 years already. being with them. I'm a loyal customer. So they've been taking care of my hair to remove it from my body. I would highly suggest, guys, for all the ladies out there, if you want to get rid of your unwanted hair, you come here at Hairless. This is not sponsored, but Hairless maybe. But yeah, I've been with them for such a long time and I'm quite happy with their service. It's really good. That's why I only recommend the best. So come here. They have reasonable price than the other ones. Come on, let's go. Let's do this thing. So this is Kim. So this is the place. So this is where I'm gonna like lay down. And this is the machine that they are using. So yeah, here we go. Let's do this.
Papi, no.
Yes. They're also watching the videos, guys. So yeah, we are currently starting now. They're very nice here as well, so I would highly recommend. I know a lot of you guys are asking about my underarm. Where did I had it done? This is second floor, right? Third floor?
Second floor.
Second floor in North Wing area. I'm just gonna like finish this and then yeah, Bingle is waiting for me outside.
Someone's gonna buy a new bag.
Okay, so I'm in her shell. I'm gonna try to buy a backpack because whenever I go to the city or like go somewhere, I always try to borrow Bingle's backpack. So they're on 50% sale, which is so nice. I am eyeing for this, actually. Lagi siya laptop na. Ah, okay. I love this bag, guys.
Hi guys. So there she is. Ta-da!
We are here in the department store. I'm gonna try to get some perfumes. So this is the one I have been using since and I ran out already, but not this exactly one. This one is very bulky. I cannot put it in my purse. So I'm getting the small one, which is this. Ah, wala na. Hi! Is it good? Smells good? What's this? Abercrombie? Ah, Ralph Lauren. Ah, that's nice as well. I'm a Bulgari girl forever. Okay, so Kuya is taking us there. This is the department store now, guys. There's not a lot of people. So we are in the shoes section right now. I'm gonna try to buy shoes for my mom because it's her birthday on Saturday. But I like this Nike slides. We're gonna try it.
It always runs away from you.
It's so nice. It's so comfy. Look, I feel like I'm not wearing anything at all. Do they have my size? I think I'm gonna get this. It's 1,500.
Probably gonna ask.
We're gonna ask if they have my size. I don't know what size is this. 6 and a half. We have here some Adidas. This is for mom, by the way. But I'm gonna try to try it on because we have the same feet. It says 7. 7 lang nakabutang niya. Oh, Dira ni?
Ang size na available, ma'am.
Ah, okay.
Nice. Very simple and elegant.
I'm not gonna give it to her.
Patay na. Nice.
Uy, it's so nice. Sorry, Mom. I'm not giving this to her. Though it's quite big for me. It's very long. So this is for her. Hello, so it is the next day now and yes, I am here in Bingle's room. I'm about to leave to buy a few stuff and then get back to the countryside. I was not able to vlog yesterday already because I actually took a nap. Well, it's already considered a sleep because it lasted for 3 hours. I don't know why I was so sleepy when we arrived here. But yeah, anyway, that is it, guys, for this vlog. I know this is totally different from the countryside and some of you guys have actually requested this as well. So if you guys have any requests or video requests, please comment it below. I would love to do that for you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!